I have 3 years of experience in automation field. Currently, I am working at GTTC as a lecturer where I handle automation lab. We do training for students in 5 major domains like PLC, SCADA, HMI, IoT and mechatronics functions. So SCADA stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. SCADA is a system used in industries to monitor and control machines and processes. Using SCADA, we can see what is happening in a plant in a real time on a computer screen. It acts like a control center of an industry. With SCADA, we can monitor machines, control operations, collect live data and take quick and correct decisions. The main reason is to learn SCADA to gain practical industrial knowledges. It helps students how industries really works. Learning SCADA is a main motive to learn how automations and technical skills improves functions. SCADA is a widely used because it saves times, reduce manual work, improve safety, reduce human error. Industries use SCADA for important parameters such as temperature, pressure, sensors and flow functions. SCADA also helps for controlling motor, pumps, valve, other industries machine in one center locations. Another important features of SCADA is troubleshooting. When a fault occurs, SCADA shows alarm, clearly identify where the problem is, machines breakdown or the machine breakdown can be reduced also. SCADA plays a very important role in modern industries. By learning SCADA, students can gain knowledge of hands-on skills, better understanding of automation and better job opportunities also. Thank you so much.